What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. And if you push this button and you're watching this video, you are on day 37 of this 5K program. You guys are awesome, you're doing great, let's get moving. Alright, well you know what the workout is because it was what you actually did yesterday. So, let's get to it. Here's Coach Robin.
Hey guys, welcome back. Great job yesterday getting it done when we switched over to all run from intervals, and we have the same thing on tap today. So just remember, keep it slow, keep it easy, keep your posture, have your hydration, have your sun protection, and same thing. You did it yesterday, you can do it today. Just take it nice and easy and slow, and we'll get it done. So I'm gonna go get mine done. I'll see you when we're finished. What a great workout, guys. I hope you had a great one too. I just took it nice and slow and easy. I had my water, I had my protection, so it was great. I know you guys had a great one too. We're doing all our homework, which leads up to where we are now, and this is our goal to run. So we started here and we're here. We want to get here with our 3-mile run, and you know, we're here, so we're doing it. We got our goals, we got our eye on the prize, and we are making our way towards our goals. Goal setting is great, guys. It really helps you get to somewhere where you're going, and tracking your progress is great too. So I hope you have a calendar that you're checking off what you're doing. Maybe use your favorite color and check off your work. So good on you guys for getting it done. I'm so excited for you. We are getting there. We are on our way to a 5K for sure now. We are so much further than we were before we started. So anyway, tomorrow's a rest day, so rest up, okay? Again, you could do your stretches or your yoga or your upper body workout, but I really want you to save your legs. We're really giving our legs good workouts now, so save those for our run days, not our run walk days, now our run days. So if you had to walk a little bit today too, no biggie. We got lots and lots more to go. So, you know, just do as good as you can do. And whatever you're doing is better than all those people sitting on the couch, right? So good job, guys. I'll check in with you tomorrow just to say, hey, see what you're doing on your rest day, and we'll take it from there. Have a good one.
All right. You guys did fantastic. 37 days down in this beginning 5K program. You guys are doing awesome. You know, again, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to us. It also helps you out because that way you'll be notified every time we put out a healthy living video. And we will see you tomorrow, everybody. Have a great one. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. And also, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.